If you get offended by this video, please leave now. I'm just gonna burp. Oh gosh. Yeah, it's rendering a video. I'm just gonna burp in front of the guy, and it's gonna be great, okay? Alright. Oh yeah, beautiful music. Let's wait until... Let's wait until the music turns off. Oh, here he is.
Technical support, how can I help you?
Excuse me?
Yes, ma'am, how can I help you?
Oh! Excuse me. Excuse me. Um, yeah, my computer is broken. I got a notification of a virus.
Can I have your name?
My name is Karen Thomas.
Okay, so what notification that you see on your computer?
Oh, it closed, but I think I remember it. It says, "Call this scammer now. They're really stupid. And they steal your money." Okay, bye. Alright, bye. she she didn't even care that I like burped or anything. It was like alright, no reaction.